Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. I hope you managed well these last couple of weeks of prices correcting across the crypto market. But today is a green day with crypto going up across the board. And today we will discuss leverage, how it works, and crypto ETFs, which is a potential way to use this instrument while mitigating some of its main risks. As always, this video is not financial advice. We are just discussing these instruments for entertainment purposes only and for you to understand the financial markets a little bit better. Alright, guys, if you never heard of leverage, don't be intimidated. I'm sure that you used or heard of some kind of financial leverage products, such as bank loans or mortgage, but you just never thought of it as leverage. They are a little bit different than margin trading, which is leveraging the financial markets, which apply to crypto, forex, and stock market also. But let's analyze a mortgage quickly and see how leverage works, right? So with a down payment, which depends on country to country, but let's say 10% to keep things simple, you're able to afford a much more expensive house than you can with your savings. Let's say you have $100,000 savings and you buy a $100,000 home, right? If that property goes up 10%, you made $10,000 in profit. But if you do the same with a mortgage and you get a $1 million home with the same $100,000 and that property goes up 10%, you will be making 100,000 in profit. So leverage allows you to buy a property that's more expensive than you can afford at the moment, which gives you more losses or profit as well. Now, this is a crypto channel, so let's focus on how this works in crypto. So with margin trading, you can choose how much leverage you want. 1 times, 2 times, 10 times, but let's keep it at 10 times just to keep it simple. So you go and deposit $100 and you open a position leverage 10 times, which allows you to open a position worth $1,000. So far, so good. But this is where the real estate analogy differs from margin trading. On real estate, the house is your collateral, but the bank does not take it away if the market drops, as long as you keep your payments. But in margin trading, if your $1,000 trade drops 10%, which means you're losing $100, your trade is liquidated and your original $100 is gone. And this is why you might be hearing a lot on the crypto outlets about liquidation events, because a lot of people are using leverage and their trades are getting closed whenever the market moves in an exponential manner in any direction. Now, with margin trading, you also have the ability to go long, which is the normal way you buy things, which means you buy now with the intention to sell high later. But you also have the ability to go short, which means you don't have it, which means you sell now with the intention for the price to go down and you will buy lower later to close your position. This is very unusual in a housing market. You will never be able to sell a house that you don't have with the intention to buy it later for a lower price and make profit this way. But with the financial markets, you can. And this works equally with crypto, forex, or even stocks. So you're able to sell a stock that you don't have, and when the price goes lower, you buy that stock lower and close the position with a profit. Now, crypto ETFs allows you to leverage and take advantage of these rises and drops in prices, yet without being fully liquidated if your position goes against you. They basically rebalance the position and might reduce your holdings and leave you with a position that you can still help you recover if the price goes in your direction. All right, everyone, now that I explained to you how leverage works, the liquidation events exist, something to be looking out for, and that you have the ability to go long and expect the market to go up, and to go short and expect the market to go down, making profits this way, I want to show you on gateio, which is a broker that I've been using lately, how to actually buy those ETFs that I explained just now. So on gateio, this is the home page. If you don't know how gateio works, I also have a video explaining gateio. You can just have a look at the channel so you can understand how this broker works. But on this page, if you want to go to markets and market price, it will take you to this page where you can see it's on the spot trading on the left, and then you just go down and change to ETFs. And here you can see some different ETFs. And I'm just going to go to the second one in red now, which is Ethereum 5S, which is 5 times short. And you can see the whole crypto market today is going up, and the short positions are losing 34%. If you go 2 positions down, you can see Ethereum 3L, which is 3 times long. This is an ETF that mimics the Ethereum 3 times leverage position and is going up 15%. And just 2 positions down again, you have Ethereum 5 times long, which is making you 32% today, right? But one thing to look out for is the liquidation part. So if you did own Ethereum 5S, which should have been liquidated with a 20% drop, you would not be liquidated. You'll be losing 34% of your holdings, but when they do the rebalancing, they will just reduce the amount of that holding that you have. And it depends from place to place when the rebalancing works. It could be daily, it could be weekly or monthly, and that's something that you have to look out for. But with the ETFs, at least it allows you to leverage your position if that's what you wish, part of a diversified portfolio, and you want to add some extra risk, then this is how you can do it. And if you think the crypto market's going down, then an opportunity for you is to make money on the way down with a short position. And if you think the market's going up, then either you buy the crypto straight up, or um, you can buy a leveraged position that is long, giving you the ability to make money on the way up in an exponential manner that the market is moving. But I'm just going to wrap up the video. I don't want to make it too long. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts, or if I did miss something that you want me to clarify. I'm more than happy to interact with you in the comment section. And once again, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please give it a chance. Subscribe to the channel for future videos. Give it a thumbs up if you like the content, and we'll see you on the next video.